Motivation is rare, and most people waste it. Today, let's talk about what to do when you're motivated. I'm Brian Ford. Welcome to Self-Improvement Daily. We all naturally find brief moments of motivation. We wish we felt them more often because it's in these moments that we follow through on all the things we need to do and have the courage we need to take action on big, bold, life-giving things we'd otherwise hesitate to do. There's a version of this that happens at the beginning of every year. We look forward into all of the possibilities of the new year. We feel inspired to make life changes that bring us closer to the life we see for ourselves and start the year becoming that person. That is until we're a few weeks in, the motivation wears off, and we're right back to where we used to be. When we feel inspired, we can step up our game. But when that goes away, we revert right back into our previous level. And the reason is, nothing changed about your environment. Only how you were showing up within it. In the short term, you can overcome the natural pull of life, but eventually its unrelenting force will pull you back. In other words, when you no longer have the willpower to sustain a higher level of performance, you'll fall back into your default patterns that are the natural byproduct of the environment you're in. So what should you do when you're feeling motivated? The short answer is take action in ways that permanently shift your environment. Rather than using your temporary spike in willpower and motivation to take the desired action, work up the courage to do something else that locks in doing the desired action in the future. In doing so, you change the forces influencing your life and make positive, consistent, healthy action more likely to happen again. And here's what that's looked like in my life. Waiting in line to order food, I told my wife I'll be ordering something healthy. One quick sentence locks in a future congruent decision. Or when I decided to write the first half of my book, I emailed a mentor telling him to expect it done by a certain date. And I got it done. Even on social media, with the bold actions I'm taking toward my mission, I post about them before I do them, which holds me accountable to actually completing it. This is what makes motivation last. Instead of just feeling motivated today, you leverage it today so that it serves you every step moving forward. You get it to work for you when it's no longer present because of the way it shifted your environment around you. So if you're feeling motivated today, or at the very least willing to do what it takes to succeed at the levels you know you're capable of, the best thing I can recommend is the 21-day Super Habits Challenge. It'll take a single spark of motivation and turn it into lasting positive habits and consistent focused action. Especially if you've been spending a lot of time on your personal development, but you're not as far along as you think you should be by now. Click the link in the description to learn more about the 21-day challenge, and it will show you what you've been missing. I'm Brian Ford, and you grew today. Let's do it again tomorrow on Self-Improvement Daily.